Welcome back. I'm gonna stay seated for this because this is real intimate. I feel like this is real, like we're here trying different things, obviously, since I changed my layout, but here we are. Yes, it's more blue, but I want to see. I'm experimenting with this, and I don't, yeah, this is gonna need another layer, but I just wanted to see how it would come out. Okay, I'm gonna be able to take this part out. I always do silly stuff like this. Let's see. That not budge. Ooh. Oh, that dropped. Oh, my alcohol. I don't know where that ran off to. It'd fly up somewhere and then land somewhere else. But it came out. So I actually love this. It's gonna be a mini candle holder. So I'm gonna do like a layer on the bottom so that it can, you know, stand up firm and strong. Jah, you keep me firm and strong. That sounded horrible. I don't sing. I wasn't blessed with that gift. I'm thinking, yeah, I think I want this bottom part, probably. I think I might want this part to be the top because this part cured a little weird, probably because I didn't bring it all the way to the top with the pour, but this just gave me an idea. Do I have another mold that looks like that? I think this is the only one that's like this. Oh, this is so perfect though. Like if I want to just make little, okay, we're not gonna hyperfixate, we're gonna behave ourselves. Which next? Let me see how this one came out. I think I might keep this myself. Oh, this is gonna be hard to come out, but it looks so good. I don't, you know what, let me switch to this one because I'm not able for this struggle today, and I feel like all of them are about to make me struggle. My goodness. I feel like because these are actually my nails, they're more prone to breaking or popping off for some reason, which doesn't make sense. This wig also, don't pay attention to this wig, okay? This is my work wig, and it was either this or the stocking cap. So take one you can get, all right? Oh, it's crooked, but still doing what she needs to do as the good sis that she is. I could drip little resin in here. See it lifted. That's why I need to put resin. This is gorgeous though. I'm obsessed with this. Did this come out properly? See, I did a whole lot of, what do they call it? Jerry rigging. I did a whole lot of that with this last pour. All of this is from the same pour. So, this nail look full. Oh yeah. Is this deep enough? She asks. Unhinged. That was unnecessary. But yes. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to drill that. But this is an incense holder, so I took this little piece out, the little pink piece that was in there. Yes. You can't, can you see it? Is that gonna stand flat? Oh, it is, because this part's kind of raised. Let me move this out of the way. Yes. Yeah, it's down. But I did this bottom piece. I put that little pink part in so that it'll angle right there. This is so gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna put a layer of the UV resin here to fill in that spot, and I'm gonna drill out this hole a little bit so that incense sticks can fit. I am so pleased with this. Where did I put mine? Now is not the time. Time and place, right? Now is not the time nor the place. But yeah, so that is that. All right. I really want to take this out. Let's see. And play some background music, the Jeopardy theme song for these. Oh my gosh! Again, y'all know this thing is real tight, and I don't want to hurt myself. I'm tired of cutting myself trying to open these damn take these things out of the molds. I think I might end up having to just stop wearing nails. Because the length be stressing me out on top of everything else that I be trying to do. Because it's tight in there. I do need to loosen it up because I think the fact that this is textured also makes it that much harder to come out because it's like stuck in the groove. Ooh. Yeah. This blue is so sexy. Like, I'm always doing this to myself. Like, this is so beautiful. Like, okay, hold on. Come on, chameleon. Oh, let me hear something like tight in there. Because I thought it was this at first, but it's literally the sound of it separating from the silicone. Ooh. All right. Something scrape up, crab up. I don't know if y'all know this about me, but I don't have no patience. I'm learning to develop some though, so y'all see me stopping and, you know, taking a deep breath, because to hold me ignorant, it doesn't benefit anyone for me to act on my impulses when I get like that. So yeah, you know, and this is nothing to even be upset about. So imagine when things really pringle me, like, you know. So people, I can't give up because I need to take it out. I actually have an order that I need to make with this mold. So come. I think I can't be willing to just the nail. Like that's my problem. Like, I'm willing to just like put my hands in there and just, because like the minute I do that, I'm gonna have to take all of them off because these are actually my nails, and I'm Christmas not even come yet, you know, so I'm trying to, you know, yeah, maintain the nails at least till Christmas, at least till Christmas. But sweet baby in a manger. Being delicate is not my thing. It's not. Being rough and tough with my Afro puff usually works better for me. Is that how I broke this? Probably. I broke it again. Come on, man. That's all I need, just a little, you know, a little help. But, oh. Yes. I love this. So yeah. I'm obsessed. See, now, no, this is mine. I mine this. It's mine. It's mine. Does it have no glitter in here? No? Okay, that can't go with that then. But this is mine. Is it me? Like that? I mean that. As if I can't make a next one, right? But no, it's mine because I need that. And I'm gonna do the finishing touches on it so y'all can understand the intention of why I made this, but I'm excited about that. All right, this last one is also mine because it's me, Mario. Ooh, see that first pour, the first time I made this, that joint, well, no, there was nothing wrong with it except for the spot that the silicone, the mold stuck to itself, and then in that area there's a hole. But I fixed it the other day with my handy dandy UV resin and gave it to my mama, and she was very pleased. She was like, oh my god, this is beautiful. And I was like, thank you. That's the sound I'm usually looking for. That popping sound makes my life just a little bit happier, you know? Because that means progress is being made. Look, piece I would want it up and everything. My gosh, it's the last one, baby. Come on. And I done dipped it on. See, now I gotta do all this extra work when it's time to use it again. Oh my gosh. I learned, right? They say when you know better, you do better. So I'm still out of foolishness. Eh? Lift up no man. See, yeah, all right now. Popping sounds. One more now. Oh shoot! I sew it tight down in the saw. Okay, here, relax. Oh, it is tight in here for real. No, sir, look at it. Take out a middle piece. Yeah, that was tight for real. Like, what? Were you not trying to let go of my mold? And see something I look like say one tear? Come on, man. So I'm gonna have to give. I can't do this again. Like, why you have to behave so? Oh, it's because it has a little, that's,
oh my gosh. But this is gorgeous though. My phone ran out of memory, so I gotta cut this short. All right, so this is mine. This is mine, but I'm contemplating whether or not I want to gift it because I love it. But this is mine. These two are for someone else. But yeah, just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.